everyone. This is Pooja Chhabra from Seals Academy, and today's topic is food. And the inspiration for today's topic is me only because I am a complete foodie. I love to cook, I love to bake, and I love to eat as well. And in today's video, we are going to discuss the vocabulary related to food. Plus, we are going to discuss a few phrases that you can use when you are going to a restaurant. Because मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है कि मेरे बहुत सारे ऐसे फ्रेंड्स हैं जो हेजिटेट करते हैं when they go to a restaurant, when it comes to ordering the food, when it comes to complaining about the food, they feel hesitation. So we will discuss those phrases because ordering food or going into a restaurant and talking in English is not at all a rocket science. So these phrases will help you in your conversations. So let's start with vocabulary. In vocabulary, the first word is three course meal. थ्री कोर्स मील बहुत सारे लोगों को नहीं पता होता कि हमारा जो मील होता है वो 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड होता है. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज कॉल्ड एपेटाइजर्स और स्टार्टर्स जिन्हें हम बोलते हैं, और इन नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज वी कॉल इट स्नैक्स ऑल्सो. सो ऑल दीज कम्स इन योर appetizer. Even your salad can come into your part of appetizers. Second comes your main course. Main course का मतलब होता है the heavy meal that we take. So that is the main course, and after the main course comes the dessert. Dessert is the sweet thing that we have after our lunch or after our dinner. सेकेंड वर्ड इज क्यूजीन. हम सबको पता है कि हर एक इंसान का खाना बनाने का तरीका अलग होता है. हर एक रीजन के अकॉर्डिंग फूड का स्टाइल चेंज हो जाता है. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड क्यूजीन. दैट रीजन और कंट्री के स्टाइल ऑफ कुकिंग को हम क्यूजीन बोलते हैं. लाइक इन इंडिया ऑल्सो वी हैव सो मेनी डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ क्यूजीन. नॉर्थ इंडियन क्यूजीन, साउथ इंडियन क्यूजीन, एंड व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द कंट्रीज, चाइनीज क्यूजीन, थाई क्यूजीन, जापानीज क्यूजीन. So there are different kinds of cuisine that we have. Next word we have is cutlery. Cutlery को अमेरिकन इंग्लिश में सिल्वरवेयर भी बोला जाता है. Cutlery means that the knife, spoon, forks that we have on our table is cutlery. Next word we have is edible. Edible means खाने लायक. So जो चीज हम खा सकते हैं उन सब चीजों को edible बोला जाता है. अक्सर आप पढ़ेंगे, अगर आप किसी चीज का लेबल देखेंगे तो उसमें लिखा होता है edible oils. So that means that one thing that you can consume, that you can eat is edible, and one thing that you cannot consume is inedible. Next word we have is platter. प्लैटर तो आपने बहुत जगह सुना होगा. साउथ इंडियन प्लैटर, वेजिटेरियन प्लैटर, चाइनीज प्लैटर. सो इसका मतलब क्या होता है? इसका मतलब होता है कि एक बड़ी सी सर्विंग डिश जिसके अंदर बहुत सारी वेराइटीज ऑफ फूड वी keep it and we serve it, and like that variety of food is called assortment of food. So a platter is basically a dish in which there is assortment of food that is served to you. Now we have a few terms that are related to describing the kind of food. जब हमारे food बहुत अच्छा लगता है या बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता, so how can you describe that? The first word is lip smacking. Lip smacking का मतलब है the food is very delicious. When you enjoyed eating that food, it was very pleasant experience of yours to have that food. तो हम delicious और yummy को replace करके we can use the word lip smacking. Next word we have is bland. Bland का मतलब होता है when the food is tasteless. उसमें कोई taste नहीं होता. You cannot feel any kind of any taste into that. That is your bland. Oftenly बोला जाता है American foods are bland. So because they are not having taste like Indian food. Next word we have aroma. अरोमा का मतलब होता है pleasant smell. अरोमा is a word जिसको हम mostly food से ही relate करते हैं. Like we call it with the coffee, the aroma of coffee, the aroma of biryani. So anything that is having very pleasant smell is known as aroma. Next word we have is palate. Palate means होता है the roof of our mouth, or the sense of taste. So if you are very much satisfied with the food, then you can say that my palate is quite satisfied at this moment. So your sense of taste is quite satisfied with the food that you had. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज अ फ्यू कुकिंग टर्म्स. कुकिंग टर्म्स को मैंने इसमें क्यों इंक्लूड किया है, बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम ऑफ लॉकडाउन एवरीबडी स्टार्टेड cooking food at home, and that is why we need these terms, because sometimes we do know when we are looking at the recipes. Even I look at the recipes a lot, so when we look at the recipes there are some new words that we don't know. So first word is clarified butter. क्लैरिफाइड बटर का मतलब क्या होता है? बटर तो हम सबको पता है क्या होता है, बट व्हाट इज क्लैरिफाइड बटर? क्लैरिफाइड बटर इज बेसिकली योर घी, योर देसी घी दैट वी यूज इन आवर किचन्स. नेक्स्ट वर्ड वी हैव इज नीड द फ्लावर. फ्लावर का मतलब होता है आटा, मैदा जो हम यूज करते हैं, दैट इज फ्लावर. उसे फ्लावर, कुछ लोग फ्लोर, नहीं, इट्स कॉल्ड फ्लावर. जैसे FLOWER फ्लावर की प्रोनाउंसिएशन होती है, ऐसे ही FLOUR की भी प्रोनाउंसिएशन सेम होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्लावर. सो नीड द फ्लावर का मतलब क्या है? नीड द फ्लावर मीन्स आटा गूंदना. एंड मेक इट अ डो. मेक इट अ डो मतलब जो गूंदा हुआ आटा होता है, दैट इज नोन एज डो. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज ब्लेंडिंग. ब्लेंडिंग का मतलब होता है कंबाइनिंग और मिक्सिंग. 2 or 3 इंग्रेडिएंट्स को मिक्स करना, उनको एक पेस्ट फॉर्म में बनाना, दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्लेंडिंग. Next word we have is blanch. It's called blanching also. What we do in blanch or blanching कि हम ये basically green leafy vegetables के लिए use करते हैं, in which when we boil them, पहले हम उनको boil करते हैं, after that we put them into the cold water to maintain their firmness, कि वो अपना जो texture है, अपना जो firmness है उसे ना खोए. So that is what we call as blanching. Next word we have is shallow fry and deep fry. Shallow fry is when we fry something using the less amount of oil, is called shallow fry. And when we are using a huge amount of oil to fry something, that is called deep fry. This is very common term in nowadays, like saute. Saute the vegetables. Saute का मतलब क्या होता है? Saute is a French word जिसका मतलब होता है jump. So when we are using very less amount of oil in the vegetables and we are making the vegetables jump in the container that we are using, that is basically known as saute. Next we have is zest. Zest is basically used for decorating the items, or sometimes we use it in the food items like baking items. So zest क्या होता है? जो हमारे citrus fruits होते हैं ना, like lemon, मौसमी, so उनका जो outer layer होता है, जब हम उनको उस outer yellow layer और green layer को हम grate करते हैं या फिर हम peeler से उसे extract करते हैं, that particular thing is known as zest. And one more thing that I forgot while we were discussing about the taste of food, it was savory. Savory का मतलब होता है spicy और salty food. So basically starters जो होते हैं वो हमारे mostly savory होते हैं. जैसे desserts का opposite is like savory. The spicy and the salty food is savory. Now coming to the phrases that we can use while we are going to a restaurant. So first of all, सबसे पहले हम enter होते ही हमसे पूछा जाता है like table for, or we can also say to the waiter standing over there that I need a table for 2 people or I need a table for 10 people. So that is the first step when you enter into a restaurant, you ask for a table. Next thing that people find it difficult is to choose the food items they want to order. So in that case you can ask the waiter like what are your recommendations, और सबसे बेस्ट तरीका ये है कि you can segregate the items that you don't like to eat. जो आपको खाना पसंद नहीं है उनको segregate कर लो और जो आपको पसंद है आप उनमें से choose कर लो. So that is the best way you can decide that what you want to eat in a restaurant. And the next thing that you can do is asking the waiter about what are the ingredients used in the food item. For example, we sometimes do not like a particular ingredient. जैसे I don't like tomato. So I can ask the waiter that if there is any tomato used in this recipe or something. So that will help me in deciding that I want to have that particular food or not. And the next way you can ask is like, for example, some people are vegetarian or some people are vegan. Vegan is basically the ones who do not use any dairy products or any animal products as well. So in that case you can ask like, is this product vegan or is this product is having any egg or something into it? So that will help you in deciding your food. Next comes the placing the order. Placing the order में जब waiter आपसे आके पूछता है what would you like to have, in that case you can simply say that I would like to have, you can name the food item that you want to order. और sometimes ऐसा होता है कि हम pronounce नहीं कर पा रहे हैं मेन्यू में से कि what is the correct pronunciation. So in that case you can point at the menu that I want to have this particular dish. So I want to have this. So you can point at the particular food item that is written in the menu card. और if you are going with someone and आप दोनों का order same है और आप ही उस सामने वाले person के behalf पर order place कर रहे हो, तो use the word we, that we would like to have this. Do not say that I would like to have this. Next comes the most important thing is about the complaining. When you are complaining about the food, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो complain नहीं कर पाते. So there are very basic complaints that we face in a restaurant. You can say that, excuse me, I did not order this, or excuse me, this is not my order. ये मैंने order नहीं किया था, ये मेरा order नहीं है. Or if the food is served to you is cold, you can say that sorry, but this is cold. I want it to be hot. So ये ठंडा हो गया है, मुझे गरम चाहिए. Or sometimes we change our mind that I don't want to eat it. So you can ask the waiter that, excuse me, can I change my order? So if it is possible for them to change your order, they will change your order as well. So these are the very basic complaints that we face during the conversation in a restaurant. Next is the very last thing that we ask into a restaurant is, can we have a bill, or can I have a bill, or check please. Check is basically said in the American English. So if you can ask here like check please, or can I have the bill. So this is the very easy way you can ask for the bill in a restaurant. So that's it. These are very common phrases that you can use while you are going to a restaurant, you are placing an order, you are facing any complaint. So use these phrases and it will make your day. So this was all from my side on the topic of food. I hope you liked the video. Do like it, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe our channel for all the coming videos. Thank you so much.